Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. Today, let's demonstrate how to use the comparison operators with simple if and if-else structures to perform different actions. We use the simple if structure to execute the if statement body only if the specified condition evaluates to true. Otherwise, it skips the if statement body and continues to execute statements after the if structure. The condition is written in parentheses. The if statement body is denoted by the curly braces. Remember, variable declaration in PHP starts with a $sign and then followed by the name of the variable. A variable is just a name for the space in the computer's memory, where you can store your data for use throughout the program. We can access the contents of the variable by simply writing the name of the variable. At first, we declare two variables and then initialize them with the values 30 and 50 respectively. And then we have to define the test condition to control the flow of code execution so as to deviate from its default sequential mode of execution, which is executing from top to bottom, line by line. The test condition in the brackets is in the form of expressions. Here, with the help of comparison operators, it evaluates to either true or false. Let's go through example 1 to 3. In the example 1, we use double equals to compare two values. Because single equal is the basic assignment operator. In this example, the condition is false. Since A is not equal to B, this is the statement after the if structure. Okay, let's run the example. Let's press Ctrl B. See, it runs the next statement after the if structure. Example 2. Here we use the greater than comparison operator. The condition is false because A is not greater than B. Let's run the example. Ctrl B. It runs the next statement after the if structure. Okay, go to the next example 3. Here we use the less than comparison operator. The condition is true. Let's run the example 3. Press Ctrl B. It runs the if statement body. Okay. We can enhance the decision-making process by providing an alternative choice through adding an else statement if we want something to be done when the condition evaluates to false. However, if we want nothing to be done when the condition evaluates to false, the else statement should not be used. The condition is written in parentheses. The if statement body and the else statement body are denoted by the curly braces. Let's go through example 4 to 6. This is the not equal comparison operator. The condition is true. Let's run the example 4. Press Ctrl B. This is the output of the result. Example 5. Here we use the greater than or equal to comparison operator. The condition is false. Let's run the example 5. Press Ctrl B. The condition is false. The else statement body executes. Go to example 6. Here we use a less than or equal to comparison operator. The condition is true. Let's run the example 6. Press Ctrl B. The condition is true. The if statement body runs. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to receive alerts on my new uploads. Thanks for watching.